automatic.
Huh?
Alright, we're out here through Leadry here. We're swapping freaking B series over here apparently. B16 transmission. I think that's an eBay exhaust. So we're doing this in the storage place. I'm sure many of you guys done it.
That shit was slow, bro.
Yeah, you could in a
No door, you know. Lightweight.
Throw it on some wheels, you'd be like, this might just be like.
It's full interior.
Fucking nasty truck ass fucker. This is the loop you use.
Es un Dura's Gold. Y el maricón me vendió Dura's Gold.
Didn't thunder?
Yeah, bro, you fucked that shit up.
Yo, what the fuck does this shit have in it? Look at that.
Eso fue cuando lo fregué.
Send it.
Yeah, that's when I washed it.
Damn, Felipe, were you trying to back it up on me?
Yeah. Bust it down, Tatiana.
So we got it done, we got the transmission in, clutch is inside. So hopefully they don't tell us anything. We're gonna pull this car out. Come on, Felipe, you got it. What are you doing?
Waiting?
You gotta push, man. Come on. Más, no?
How far up?
Right there. Yeah. I guess I'll help. Fuck it. El golpe avisa. Hold on, hold on. You think he got insurance? Ahí. You got bolts on the harness? Just fuck it.
You dumbass. Put it more close to this way, this way.
It's almost done.